Hello and welcome to the Python Academy, the best online resource for learning Python. My name is Kian McCarsell and I'm one of the instructors for this course. I'm a scientist, inventor, and Fortune 50 data science lead. I've taught countless students here at the Python Academy on a variety of topics, including robotics process automation, Python for application development, and most importantly, artificial intelligence and machine learning. We combine our most popular courses into single bundles to allow students to take advantage of savings and first priority in class enrollments. This bundle, the Complete Python for Data Science, is for students serious and dedicated to becoming fully proficient in Python. Successful enrollment and completion of this course will earn you every certification in the Python Academy and will transform you from a complete beginner into a certified Blue Belt programmer, Google's dream candidate. The bundle consists of all the key and essential courses for Python, including Foundations of Python, Python for Data Analysis, Python for Predictive Modeling, and most importantly, Python for Machine Learning. Some of the skills you'll learn in this course include the ability to analyze and predict outcomes from all kinds of data, including structured and unstructured data, time series, classification, and regression. You can be building recommender systems to generate and automate actionable insights for your company, and how to train machine learning algorithms for image recognition and natural language processing. Through the Complete Python for Data Science bundle, you'll save 25% off of your total class cost and be granted priority registration for every course. The successful completion of this bundle rewards you with the following certifications: the Beginner Yellow Belt, Intermediate Green Belt, the Advanced Blue Belt, and provides you with the first step to completing the Black Belt. The Supplemental Super Bundle is for intermediate level coders hoping to broaden their horizons and advance their skill sets. Successful completion of this course earns you the Blue Belt certification in the Python Academy and will help refresh your Python to meet the newest and most in-demand needs for the market.